Yo, YouTube, what is going on? You're watching this video because you want to know how to get cap breakers in 2K26. Well, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to go ahead and do that, guys. You can get all 28 cap breakers fast and for free in NBA 2K26. And if you know cap breakers, guys, you know they're pretty difficult to find with, I believe there's only, there you go, known sources, there are 20 total. But I'm going to be showing you how to get all 28 cap breakers in NBA 2K26. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more. So let's get into the video, guys. This is going to get you a NBA 2K26 locker code that you can redeem in your game, and it is going to supply you with every single cap breaker. So you need to head on over. So I recommend you do this on your mobile phone, guys. Just it makes it easier. It doesn't matter if you play on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. Just grab the code from your mobile phone and then enter it in game wherever you play. So you've got to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So guys, type it exactly like this. Very important. You head on over to the correct website. So make sure you enter that in. And this is basically a game code website, guys. I've used these in previous years. As you can see, they have a 2K25 page, but I realized they actually updated to add the 2K26 game. So use the search bar, guys, and all you need to do is search for NBA 2K26. And this is the codes page here, guys. Now, as you can see, it says there are 3 verified codes and thousands of people have used these. Now, there is a VC code. If you scroll down, here we go. But this is the code that's going to get you the cap breakers. So remember, guys, these are locker codes that you can redeem straight into your game. Now, this is a code to get all cap breakers for free in NBA 2K26. And guys, cap breakers are pretty hard to get and they are a bit of a grind. So this is going to save you so much time and allow you to progress in the game. So as these are pretty limited codes, I mean, there are like 700 plus remaining. So they're not that, oh, they're distracting me in the background. Anyway, guys, what you're going to want to do is unlock your locker code. Now that's pretty self-explanatory because it does say locked here and it says your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So basically, guys, what you're going to need to do is unlock your locker code. So click on get full code, and I hope you're enjoying the performance in the background, guys. I know I am, even though they are pixel. But yeah, anyway, what you're going to want to do is follow the instructions here. It says complete 2 of the free offers below. So basically, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks on this page. They are all completely free tasks, as you can see, and they only take about 5 minutes each to complete. You just need to select 2 of them. So there is a description that tells you how to complete each task, and they are simple things, guys. They're really easy. I've got a low IQ and I can still do it. They're basically just installing and opening mobile applications. Just read the description that tells you what to do. And once you do that, your code will be revealed in this box, guys. So your 2K26 locker code will be revealed. And once you redeem it in game, that is going to get you all the cap breakers. So that is it, guys. That is how to get cap breakers in 2K26 the easy and fast way. So go to Cold Coupons. And then, guys, just navigate your way to the cap breakers code on the 2K26 locker codes page. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.